Warning, this is only for this video. Showing my face. And plus, I'm blurring it out. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to make rolling ball physics in Scratch. Basically, it's just rolling ball physics, but in Scratch. So, simply, let's get started. So, first, we're gonna do one green flag quick. And we're going to just go and we're going to first we're just going to delete that, and we're just going to make a ball. So first go and make your saturation all 100, everything 100, and make sure to make your saturation simply like something, just whatever you want. So um sorry, that was my sister. um we don't talk about that. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to make a ball shape. We're gonna make 36 by 36 pixel. We're gonna make that a little more redder. And there we go. You can have it however size you want. I just like my current size. And we're gonna make a white color. And we're gonna name it, like we're gonna have this like a circle or oval kind of shape. And we're gonna make another one. You don't have to make the design. I just want to make the design. You can make whatever you want. I just make this design right here. And we're gonna want to center this. The only reason we're centering it is because if I change the degrees right now, as you can see, it's regular degrees. But if I do not center it, then it's just going to be like this. If you want it to be like that, you can have it like that. But in a rolling game, I don't think you really want it like that. So I don't really want it like that either. Now we're just going to put this in the center back, and let's start coding. I'm going to name this the player. I'm going to name this player. Sorry, that's just my cat. We're going to paint sprite, and we're going to name this level. And this level sprite will basically just be like, we're just going to make a square. So we're going to make 7%, I think. We'll put this more down, have this more up, and have it a little more over there, and then have it whatever color combo you like. I like this color combo, so stick with it. Actually, make that more darker like that. Looks a little red. There we go. Perfect. Now we're gonna want to put this more up, and we're gonna have that like this, like that. Have this little curve like that, and then you're gonna have it like that. And then we make another thing like that. I'm gonna point it and then curved, and then sorry if you hear any noise in the background or in my cat. We're gonna copy and paste that and make this time more of a upper color, and go up. And there we go. Now, as you can see, we have this nice hail, as you can see. And this hail, as you can see, is pretty good. So now we're gonna I'm just gonna save, and let's start with the actual game now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a one green flag quick, and then one green flag quick, set X and Y to 0, 0. Then we're gonna go to front layer, and then spawn the X and Y of 0, 0. Then we're gonna go to backdrops, and we're simply gonna set the backdrop color. We're gonna have the backdrop color to like this nice bluish kind of color and go more up. And there we go. We have this nice background color. Now we're going to grab a forever loop and we're going to make a new variable. Name it X for this sprint only, Y for this sprint only, and then set these to 0. Then we're going to change so we're not going to test anything yet because nothing is going to work yet. So we're going to go in -1, change that by -1, and then change X by, change Y by, sorry, that was just my other brother. So, we're just going to grab an if, and then if touching level, change Y by, we're going to multiply this by -1, and we're going to have that into there. And we're going to set it to 0, and then now we're going to make another block, or we're going to just make a block, we're going to name this fix over lap, and we're going to run it for refresh. Then we're going to add it into here, and then we're going to repeat until not touching level, and we should also change Y by 1. This is basically just our gravity. But yeah, make sure to set the Y value to negative, whatever you want. I want mine to be -5. Alright, now we're going to actually start coding the X positions, the set X, and we're going to multiply it by 0.9, and we're going to put the X in the first one, and we're going to change X by X, and grab 2 F's, and then we're going to add these into here, and then we're going to we're just going to change the X by this value right here. As you can see, it doesn't look like the ball is turning. And it's kind of laggy when we go down. That's because we set it to -5. Just set it to -1. Actually, yeah, just set it to 0. I could set it to 1, as you can see. It would just do that if we keep right. So just set it to 0. And as you can see, it's not rolling. We want the ball to roll. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn by X at the end of the script. As you can see, we are turning currently. And so, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want more videos like this one, and I will